What is the US national debt? Monkey want mangoes. Monkey need mangoes to run jungle. Monkey also likes spending more mangoes than monkey has. So monkey goes to the jungle treasury. The treasury says, "Sure, monkey, here's some mangoes. Just pay us back later." Monkey take mangoes. Monkey spend mangoes. Life good, but monkey want more mangoes. More roads, more hammocks, more banana parties. But no extra mangoes coming in. So monkey borrow again and again and again. Now monkey owes 37 million mangoes. That's a lot of mangoes. When monkey borrows mangoes, jungle treasury creates an IOU called a treasury bond. Monkey give this IOU to another monkey, like Mango Bank, Jungle Grandma, or even monkeys from other jungles. Hi, Panda Monkey. In exchange for mangoes now. Monkey promises to pay them back later, plus extra mangoes called interest. Each year, jungle earns mangoes from taxes, but monkey spends more mangoes than jungle earns. That difference? The deficit. Deficit means monkey borrows even more mangoes every year to cover the gap. Problem? The bigger the debt, the more mangoes monkey has to pay in interest each year. Now a huge chunk of jungle's mango taxes just goes to paying interest on old mango debt. Not new roads, not mango hospitals, not even emergency banana storage. The jungle has something called a debt ceiling. Basically, the maximum number of mangoes monkey is allowed to owe. When monkey hits the ceiling, jungle leaders must vote to raise it. Cue the political mango fight. Banana Party says, "We need to cut mango spending." Coconut Party says, "We need to raise mango taxes." Nothing gets done, but somehow ceiling goes up anyway. At first, borrowing mangoes was fine. The mango tree kept growing. Jungle economy was strong. But what happens if the mango tree stops growing? Fewer mangoes coming in. Same amount of mangoes owed. Interest payments keep eating more mangoes every year. Eventually, monkey might have to cut services, raise mango taxes, or borrow even more mangoes just to survive. If other jungles think monkey can't pay back mangoes, they'll demand higher interest to lend more. If trust completely breaks, they might stop lending mangoes altogether. That's called a default. And it's like telling the jungle market, "Oops, I ate your mangoes. My bad." Let's say monkey owes 100 mangoes at 5% interest. That's 5 mangoes extra each year. Next year, monkey owes 105 mangoes, then 110.25. Then 115.76. The bigger the debt, the faster it grows. Mango snowball. Borrow mangoes for investments that make more mangoes later. Roads, trade routes, mango research. Don't borrow just for short-term banana parties. Watch the interest rate. Low is good, high is bad. Pay down debt when mango harvest is strong. Final thought. Borrowing mangoes can help jungle grow. But if borrowing goes bananas, interest eats all the mangoes, and jungle ends up broke. The US national debt is like a monkey climbing a mango tree with a backpack full of mangoes. That's also on fire.